That's 100 right there. Let me change my color so y'all can get that right. Some of y'all might do it like this, cross, multiply, and divide. Or some of y'all might just do top goes in the house. I don't know if anybody learned that. Or some of y'all might do it like that, and you'll get your answer correct. You can also use process of elimination to eliminate one more based on logic if you have any. If not, just do it the way I showed you. Next. This one, remember, the crocodile or Pac-Man or whatever you learn. Oh, let me make a cute Pac-Man. Pac-Woman, actually. Let's see. We're going to give her some lipstick. And then she's a yellow. So, oh, she's not cute though. That's okay. She wants to eat the bigger number. So don't do this in your head thinking, oh, I'm just going to plug a number in blah, 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 and I can do it in my head. No, you can't. I already told you can't, so you can't. So what you need to do is, you do plug numbers in, but don't do it in your head. Actually go through, okay, if I put an 18 in there, does that make this fraction bigger than this fraction? Put a 9 in there, does it make it? You understand? You go through each one of these and figure it out. Oh my G. This one right here, this is what it makes me want to say. Oh, we didn't get to the good part. I need to recut that. Anyway, so on here, it is a proportion. It is a proportion. Those of y'all who didn't watch the video, I didn't get it. I didn't understand. And you're going to sound like that and you're going to cry. But that's okay. This is a proportion. You're comparing. It's kind of like the one that we did today with the height and the tree. If you go back and look at day 6, number 12, it's very similar, except now the girls they're not facing the same way, but you can still see the proportion happening here, can't you? See, look at this proportion. Doot, doot, doot. Boom. We put an X right there because we don't know how tall that gym is. Y'all see how that works? AC. But y'all say, I don't know how to do it. I've never seen anything like that. Use the knowledge that you have. You can use process of elimination. You know that wall ain't 1 meter. And that's all you can eliminate. But from there, go ahead and do your math. All right, here is your favorite thing on earth. Pythagorean theorem. Yay! I know you're ready. Who is this guy? This is him. The guy who created it. He's the one who said, if this is C and this is A and B and I square them, so let's give random numbers to these. I will get 16 here, 9 here, and I add them together, I get 25. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. It's Pythagoras, or Pythagora, whatever his name was. He's the one who's making y'all do this, not me. All right, so that's a little history lesson for y'all. Here, some of y'all, I don't know what any of these numbers are. How can I do this work when I only know one number? And this number is 8. There's no way. There is no A or a C. We didn't learn that in class, Miss Umeh. Okay, let's stop and use brain power. Go ahead and turn it on. Turn on the switch. It looks like the switch on your cell phone. Just push it. It's in the back of your head. All right, so if this is 8, that's 5. What do you think this is? This is where I'll let you go to 4th grade. Little secret. All right, so you can go to 4th grade and do this. But it's not your answer, but you can go there. This is 3. How did you get that? Because this is 5. I know in total that's 8, so 5 plus 3. This is going to be 3. You can go from there. You can also use some process of elimination. There is a 4th grade answer there. And there's another answer that it surely can't be. And there's another answer that it surely can't be. If you don't want to do Pythagorean theorem because you've developed something called logic, write out what your logic is. This is too big. Can't be longer than the hypotenuse. This is too small. Whatever your logic is, let me know. I just need to see your thoughts on paper. Or you can go through it. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Whatever you like. All right. Oh, fairly simple. You need to find out how long this is because you're looking for DC. How long is that? Take that number and multiply by 1/4. Remember, if you have a whole number, let's just assume this whole number was 8. That's not the answer. Not the answer. It's not 8 units long. I don't know how many units long it is. You're supposed to know that. You put that number and put it over 1. And then top, times top, bottom times bottom, simplify. Very, very easy. This one is simple too. You act like you're about to solve it. So she works 150 hours. Boom, boom. She completed 30. Boom, boom. Let me tell you about Laura. Just a little something. All right, this song describes Laura. This is what Laura is. All right, she's very independent. Laura's high school requires her to volunteer for at least 150 hours in the community before graduating. She has already completed 30. Which expression could be used to find M, the number of hours she must work each month? Look, they even italicized it for you. They even crookedized it for you. Each month. Each month. You think it's going to be baby easy, like 150 minus 30? Nope. Each month, there's something you need to do. Each, remember, you can either do multiplication or division. Think about it. Think about it. Think about it. This is a challenge question. They really want you to think on this. I'm going to give you the answer on there. If you can show me the work to prove this, I'll give you an extra Nelson buck. All right, and on here, what I want y'all to do, let's see, what do I want y'all to draw? I want you to draw a dog or something like a dog. And he has to have the tail of a rabbit and polka dots. He's like a Dalmatian rabbit. Okay? All right. I shall see y'all tomorrow. Goodbye and good luck.